Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to understand how Instagram handles millions of database requests. It is done through a process called sharding. Let's suppose we have a DB likes. It would contain some of the data related to likes on what post we have liked upon and the user who has liked the data. Now on Instagram, in 1 second, there would be millions of requests that would be coming and hitting on this DB. So to handle lot of insert, read, delete operations would be costly, and this would lead to actually downgrade the DB, which would reduce the performance of a DB. So to avoid these kind of problems, we horizontally scale the DB. Now what do we mean by horizontally scaling the DB is we make different shards of our actual database. Now we actually have 2 likes DB and these requests now would be handled by these two databases, and these requests would then be split. Now half of the million requests would be stored by these and half of the million requests would be stored by this part of the DB. So this would eventually reduce the load on our database and would increase the performance. Now let's understand how the database architecture of Instagram actually looks like. All the like request first comes to load balancer. The load balancer then forwards this request to the messaging queues, which would then eventually be distributed across the different DB servers or the shards we can say. Now each shard contains different subset of the users, which would actually reducing the load on a single server. And we also have the read replicas, which would be handling all the read queries, and primary shards, shard 1, 2 and 3 would be handling all the write operations. I'm sure now you have understand how sharding actually works. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe the channel, and let me know in the comments what tech topic should we explore next. Thank you.